Miss Denise, Miss David, Miss Tina, Honorable Nassim, Honorable Murarembo, Honorable Sandrina, welcome.
Professor Said, teachers, gentlemen, and judges.
Professor Said, Miss Sandrina, you're welcome on the stage.
Good afternoon, everyone. Opposite side in our job. My name is Awaisema Sandrina. I am a main speaker from proposal side. I am totally disagreeing with this motion. Telephone should be banned at school because actually cell phone should be banned at school. When students have a telephone in the classroom, students might use cell phone to cheat the exam, quizzes, tests, and their assignments. Thank you for everyone who has heard for my poem.
Thank you, Miss Sandrine. Let us welcome and speaker from opposite side. Miss Umari, you are welcome. Let us welcome and speaker from opposite side. Opposite side. Miss Fideline. Miss Fidelity, you are welcome.
Good afternoon, everyone. Opposite side, and our My name is Rachel Marifel. I am a speaker from opposite side. I am totally disagreeing with this motion. Should the cell phone be banned at school? My point is this. Reason why cell phone should be allowed. It is because cell phone promotes creativity, innovation. Phone can be used for photography, video, and creative projects. Thank you for everyone who has helped my.
Thank you, Miss Umari. Let us welcome and speaker from proposal side. Miss Sandrina, you are welcome on the stage.
Good afternoon, everyone. Opposite side in our job. My name is Awaisema Sandrina. I am a main speaker from proposal side. I am totally disagreeing with this motion. Telephone should be banned at school because actually cell phone should be banned at school. When students have a telephone in the classroom, students might use cell phone to cheat the exam, quizzes, tests, and their assignments. Thank you for everyone who has heard for my poem.
Thank you, Miss Sandrine. Let us welcome and speaker from opposite side. Miss Umari, you are welcome.